Hi, I am R. Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Anjigramam, Palkulam, Kanyakumari District. Now I am going to present a topic in optical communication systems. The title is Optical Transmission Link or Element of Optical Communication. After the completion of this topic, student will be able to explain the basic concept of optical fiber transmission link or element of optical fiber transmission link. And here she explained the advantages and disadvantages of optical communication system. It's a block diagram of the optical communication system. Here I shown two different types of block diagram. The first one is the above slide and the second one is this slide. Here the optical transmission link or the element of optical fiber communication system is the one of the basic components in the optical fiber communication systems, or the mainly the light source and the optical transmitter and the optical fiber cable and the optical receiver. Okay, addition to the element of that, we are using fibers and cable splices, connectors, regenerators, units, repeaters, splitters and optical amplifiers. So first we are going to the information source. So here it consists of message origin and modulator. So in the information source, the information signal is to be transmitted may be voice, video or computer data. The step is to convert the information signal into the form of compatible with the communication medium. In the optical communication, the information source provide an electrical signal as an input signal to the transmitter. If it is non-electrical signal, then the transducer is used to convert the optical transmitter to convert the non-electrical signal into electrical signal. Next, the transmitter part. So in the transmitter part, it contains carrier source and the channel coupler. So in the optical transmitter, it contains driver circuits and light source. Driver circuits. The driver circuit is used to drive the electrical signal into the light source. This channel coupler. Next, the light source, that is carrier source. The light source has two main functions. It generates the optical signal and it modulates the information signal by using the optical signal as a carrier signal, which is used to propagating the information signal into a long distance. So the electrical input signal to the transmitter can be either as an analog or of the digital form. So the transmitting circuits converts the electrical signal into an optical signal by varying the current flow through the light source. Then the optical source, which provides the electrical optical conversion, may be either a semiconductor, laser or light emitting diode. So next, information channel path. So the information channel path. So in the information channel path, the information channel is a medium which is used to bridging the distance between transmitter and receiver. So in fiber optic communication, the optical fiber cable is used as the channel. The fiber optic cables are made up of glass or plastics. The glass has the lowest loss, but the plastic is cheaper and more flexible and higher attenuations. For long distance optical communications, we are using repeaters to compensate the attenuation losses. The final section is the repeaters part. So the repeater contains optical receiver, optical transmitter and the amplifier. So optical receiver, an optical receiver detects the optical signal and converted into an electrical signal which is amplified, reshaped and sent to the electric input of the amplifier. Next, amplifier. The amplifier receives the electrical signal from the optical receiver and amplifying the signal and also sent into an optical transmitter. Now, optical transmitter. The optical transmitter converts the electrical signal back to an optical signal to send down into the optical fiber waveguide. So, these are all the process which take place in the repeater unit. The final section is the receiver section. So it is combined with the optical detector and signal processing and message output. So in the receiver consists of a detector that will detect the optical signal and converted them into electrical current signals. The electrical current developed by the detector is proportional to the power in the incident optical signal. The, the optical detector output current contains the transmission information. So in the optical detector, we are using photodiode, which may be an avalanche or pin photodiode or PN junction diode. In these sub-instances, the phototransistors and photoconductors are utilized for the detection of signals as the optical electrical conversions. The electrical signal is then amplified and restored in an original form with the digital signal processing and prepared to pass in the original information. In optical fiber communications, we are using WDM techniques to transmit the signal in optical fiber cable. Thank you. So now we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of optical fiber communication. So advantages of optical fiber communications. First point, the wider bandwidth and greater information capacity, lower loss, small size and lightweight, signal good security, repeater spacing, environmental immunity, low cost and easy of a maintenance, system reliability, low distance transmissions or long distance transmissions, safe and easy to install. Disadvantages of optical fiber communication. High initial cost, maintenance and repairing cost is high, joining and test procedure is also very difficult, tends to stress fiber losses. Thank you.